The aircode F104 error on a Miele dryer indicates that the appliance is receiving insufficient voltage to the drive, often caused by a fault in the circuit breaker. To fix this issue, start by checking the voltage at the circuit breaker. Begin by disconnecting the dryer from the power supply by switching off the circuit breaker. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the cover from the breaker box. Then cut and replace any broken or loose wires. Using a multimeter set to measure volts, check the voltage of the wiring coming from the meter. The reading should be either 120 or 0 volts. Additionally, measure the voltage between the neutral bar and the screws that supply power to the dryer outlet, which should be 120 volts. If the reading is different, it suggests the circuit breaker is faulty, and it is recommended to contact a professional for further assistance.